Hey, I'm going to share something with you on this video that you're going to most likely find very disturbing. And that is, I am at the Smart Credit Conference. Now, I've been in the credit repair business for 17 years. I've helped hundreds of thousands of people maximize their credit scores, eliminate their debt, and reduce their income taxes, all by understanding how the credit repair laws work and how the tax code works and how debt collection works. And in those 17 years, I've learned a lot, but I can tell you this, I don't know everything. And considering that the laws change on a regular basis, like some of these laws are changing weekly, some change monthly, some change, yearly. But the Fair Credit Reporting Act, for example, has been around since 1970, and it's been changed over 100 times. Now, the disturbing part of this is, like I said, I'm here at the Smart Credit Conference. I attend every single credit-related conference that is held in America. And it's interesting that there are over 48,000 credit repair companies in America. 48,000. And yet, there's only 125 of them registered to be at this event. And this event is going over the changes that have happened in the last 12 months regarding credit, debt, and taxes. So what I find disturbing is if you are a professional and you're one of those 48,000 credit repair owners, why are you not going to these events? Why is there only a little over 100 people here? If you are a consumer thinking about hiring a credit repair company, the first thing I would look at is, does this person go to events? Does this person actually have insurance? Does this person, are they licensed, bonded, etc.? Or is it just a fly-by-night company that started to do credit repair because they had screwed up their own credit? And that's how most people get involved in credit repair. I'm one of them. It's just now I have 17 years of experience. So I find it very disturbing that even though there's 48,000 credit repair companies out there, only a few hundred of us actually go to conferences and conventions to learn about the laws, to learn about the advanced strategies. So when Sawyer, here's my little buddy here, when him and I were having lunch just a few minutes ago, it was, a table of 8 of us just exchanging ideas and tactics on how we are able to send one letter. And with that one letter that we send, the collection, the charge off, the short sale, the foreclosure, the repo, the bankruptcy, the tax lien, and even judgments, one letter, the item gets removed from the credit report. And yet the other 48,000 credit repair companies out there, if you look them up, they're going to charge you a monthly fee. And it's going to go on for 12, 18 months. I've heard of people going 2 to 3 years with companies like Lexington Law. Why does it take them so long to fix someone's credit when it takes somebody like me a matter of weeks to sometimes a few months? It's because I attend conferences like this one. I learn from my other peers, the peers that are actual professional credit repair companies, not these other 48,000 that don't even show up to learn. If you're somebody that has damaged credit, look, I understand. I've had every single negative item that could possibly be on your credit report on my credit report. Every single thing that could be there. So I understand, especially in today's times, money's tight, recession is hitting us, we're getting squeezed because of inflation. Nothing to be embarrassed about. And I would highly encourage you to do your research. If you're going to hire someone to fix your credit, do your research. Find out if they're insured. Find out if they're licensed. Find out if they're bonded. Find out if they have testimonials. Ask them, what do you guys do to stay on top of the changes in the laws? And if they cannot answer those questions for you, find someone else. Now, if you need help with credit, you can simply reach out to me or my team. You can go to the website, sign up for a free consultation, click the button below and sign up for that consultation, or give us a call. Hope you have a good day.